So this is the new replacement system that I just got by Traxxas. They sent this to me. I turned in my old set, and then they gave me this because my ESU burned out on me somehow. When I was running lipos, I was running 11.1 volt and in my Traxxas Stampede, and I burned it out the first 10 minutes. So that shouldn't happen, but it's 3 years old, so it's not under warranty, so I had to pay for this setup. So what are you gonna do? So yeah, this is the setup that I got. Alright, and then yeah, so I put it in my Traxxas today. It came in, I already put it in because I wanted to play with it so quickly. So this is what it looks like. This is my bootleg little setup I made for my battery. But what happened was I wasn't paying attention, and I hit this button over here like a dummy, and the thing took off, and then it decided to crash and go upside down. And now look, now my ECU is my ESU is just dangling over here now, so that's a problem. So I'm gonna fix that. I'm either gonna put a bigger bolt in there, a bigger screw, or I could put one with a nut. There's an indentation, so I could put a nut on there and not worry about the nut getting all ripped up, because you don't want the nut getting ripped up on the bottom, because then you're not gonna be able to get it off. It's just gonna strip it out, and you're gonna have to break the screw to get it out anyway. But since there's an indentation here, looks like I could put a nut on there and probably fix that. So now I gotta go to the store today and get that so I can fix that, and then I can use my ramp that I got as well, and I could try that and put it off some jumps on the ramp, and I could check that out.